Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho's Finger Food. Today we are making 2-ingredient sausage rolls. You'll need 500 grams of beef chevaps, which is skinless sausages, and 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry. Cut your puff pastry into 2 sheets and lay them lengthways. Now get about 2 1/3 chevaps and lay it lengthways towards one edge. Roll up the pastry encasing the chevaps and press it down firmly on the other side in a sausage roll fashion. Then we're going to remove the plastic from the outside of it, and we're going to get a fork and press the seam together crossways and lengthways to form a very good seal. We don't want these chevaps to unroll in the oven. Just press with a fork until you've made a good seal. There's no need to put an egg wash or milk or anything there. The moisture in the pastry will hold it together once you've pressed it in like so. There, that's not coming undone. Now cut each section into 6, so you'll get 12 sausage rolls, mini sausage rolls, out of 1 sheet of pastry. Now we're going to pop them onto a baking tray, which has been covered with a sheet of baking paper. Cook them for about 12 minutes in a fan-forced oven, 210 degrees Celsius, until they're nice and brown and puffed. They're moist inside, flaky on the outside. They're not greasy at all, and they taste really delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more delicious ideas, check out my other recipes and give me a comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.